Good morning! Hello! Punch! Wake up, Daddy! Ay, naku, sleepy pa. Ay, nagising mo na si Daddy mo.
Tulog pa ang Daddy.
Sleepy pa daw si Daddy.
Tulog pa ang Daddy, baby.
Uy, ang gwapo mo naman. Today, somebody's gonna get shots. Yeah, ikaw yon. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Bagong liga. Ayan. Diyos ko, ano ba yan, anak? Kakaligo mo lang, kakasabi ko lang eh. Ay, nako. Ready to go? This is his outfit for today. Let's get my baby bag ready. Diaper, wipes, and changing pad. Extra towel, extra clothes. And I also have, of course, my mommy pouch. Extra formula. This is freshly pumped breast milk. 2 extra bottles. That's it! Let's go! So, pupunta muna kami sa bahay ng in-laws ko. Ayan, nakatulog na si baby. Babe, kunin mo yung bag. Oops. Saka tong phone to. Aray ko, di ako makababa. Ha?
In-injection na na?
Hindi pa po. Meron na ako ang tagapag-alaga. Ayos ba, sir? Ayos ba? Ayoko na. Ang init sa labas. My goodness.
Ano? Huwag kayo iyak mamaya, ah. I-injection ng ka na naman. Ay, naku.
We're here at the clinic. Are you ready? Ready na for the vaccine ng baby? Huh? Yes. Is his personal immunization record. We're gonna bring this inside. Mauna muna si Mommy, ha? And then, I'm gonna call Daddy when you guys are ready to go inside, okay? Ha? Aww. Kami na daw yung susunod. Hi, Doc.
How are his symptoms? Hopefully they're gone. 4 months ago.
Yeah.
No?
Uh-oh. I don't know.
Oh, baby. Last one. Opo, last one. Last one, no? Oh. Okay, I'm gonna hold it. Okay, 1, 2. Sorry.
Oh no. It's done, baby.
It's done.
It's
Galing-galing mo
done.
talaga. Ang galing-galing. Opo. Yes. Okay. Very. Okay. Open your mouth. Okay. Open your mouth. Okay. All done.
You throw up, baby. Why did you throw up the medicine? Oh, okay, it's okay then.
Didn't like it.
Sino ka ng magaling na bata yung gamot niya? Binigyan kami ni Doc ng bago. Papainom na lang namin sa kanya later at home. It's called Rotarix. Wala, nakakatulog na ang baby. Napagod ata. Are you tired? Did you get tired? Are you okay? Sige na, sleep na ikaw. It's okay. Medyo warm na yung temperature ni baby. Mukhang magkakalagnat to this time. Last time kasi hindi siya nagkalagnat because siguro naagapan din ng Tylenol agad. You're so strong. Good job. Good job. This is what we do every time na nag-vaccine si baby. So, I just give him 0.5 ml of Tylenol para lang maagapan. Just to, you know, make sure.
Wawa naman eh.
Wawa naman eh. At least hindi na magtutuloy.
Baby, yung pugi, very siya na.
Hello.
I love you.
I love you. Okay. Yan yung pinag-injection na nagkaroon ng marks. Ito pa yung sa kabila. Aww. Such a strong boy. You're a strong boy. Sian is strong. Yan ang aking asawa. Since day 1. Maglilimang taon na po siyang tagapaghugas ng pinggan. Kupo! Sige, gigil na gigil. Nagngingipin eh.
Meron tayong aso. We have a dog here.
Pitbull.
Muna mo! Huwag mo, you don't let go!
Well, team parents, kakain yung isa. May nakita ako eh.
Babe.
Ano yun? Ba't kasama mo pa yung bata? Look, look. Nakatingin. Ayan, si daddy naman yung kakain. My goodness, guys. Ngayon ko lang napansin, or ngayon ko lang na-realize, baliktad pala yung damit ko. Ito na ang sitwasyon kapag gabi. Ayan na. Hawak niya na yung bote niya. Oh.
Hindi ko tatanggalin, baby. Hindi ko tatanggalin. Hindi tatanggalin na daddy. Sa'yo to, sa'yo. Ayan, hawak mo lang yan.
I'm just gonna take a nap. Si yan, saka si daddy nandun, nagbabandi. Nanonood ng Minions. Nakatulog ako, and pagising ko, meron na akong mga katabing so cutie boys. So banana. Ayan. Hindi ba masakit yung legs mo, anak?
Hindi. Sakit ba yung legs mo? Sakit ba yung legs mo? I don't think so. Si Banana. Banana.
And that's it. It's already 9 o'clock. We're gonna get ready for bed and we're gonna sleep. Thank you very much for watching and for spending the whole day with us.
Yeah, sige na, baby.
Kitang-kita yung bungay mo, men.
Sige na.
Okay, and that's it.